Introducing data structures. A data structure organizes related data in a computer so that it can be used efficiently. Different kinds of data structures are suited to different kinds of applications, and some are highly specialized to specific tasks. For example, graphs are used to represent connections on social websites such as Twitter, Facebook. Trees are used to represent hierarchical data such as files and folders in a file system. Queues can be used to create text scheduler. Compiler implementations usually use hash tables to look up identifiers. Binary trees are used in searching algorithm, etc. Usually choosing the correct data structure is key to designing an efficient algorithm. Some of the most common data structures are array, linked list, stack queue, graph tree, hash table. Some data structures can be used to create others. For example, linked list can be used to create stacks and queues. Each data structure has a set of operations that can be performed on data it stores. We select a data structure based on the operations required to implement an algorithm. Thanks for watching this presentation.